Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Drea. If you're new, if you are returning, thank you so much. Today we're gonna do a vlog. I just came from the bank. I didn't take you guys in. It's raining, so it rained all over my glasses, but that's to go to the mall to return something from Primark. They just opened a Primark at the mall. I made this iced coffee. So my fragrance today is the Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and then also I topped it off with this Floor Heavy Cream Hair and Body Mist. I'll link everything down below. These glasses are from Amazon. These earrings are from Chanel. That shirt is Chrome Hearts. Please check out my links. They're affiliate links. Please support. Everybody talk about true religion. Do I need some true religion? I don't know. Now, do I need these, you guys? Cause I could take them on my trip. But are these for kids? They're cute, actually. This juicy purse. I love yellow, you guys. I really wanted a yellow Chanel bag. This is $39.99. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, stop. This is so cute, but I don't need that. But I love Polly Pocket. This is really cute, but do I need this? It's just so cute, and the color is so cute. I don't know. This is so cute. Let's go in here. Okay, you guys, so now we're in the car. I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get something to drink, and then we're gonna go to get our toes done. We'll see where today takes us. Bag is this Hermes Mini Evelyn. Let me know if you guys want an updated what's in my bag for that. And my scent of the day is Yara. So I know this obnoxiously big bottle, but Yara doesn't really last that long on me, so I have to reapply. And then also I topped it off with the Ellis Brooklyn Marshmallow. So this is the drink that I got. I thought it was the matcha lavender latte, but I really just see a little bit of lavender, but that's okay. We're gonna try it. Yeah, like you really have to like matcha for this. I don't really taste any lavender, but since I like matcha, this is okay. It tastes a little outdoorsy. Yeah, this tastes a little grassy. Okay, so I just got my toes done. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. If you guys are, please subscribe. Please like this video. Leave me a comment down below too, because I really have been thinking about doing story times. I feel like my life, a lot of things that happen to me are crazy, and I feel like it may help someone. I just want to thank all of my subscribers that have stayed loyal, have stayed down, you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are my friends. Like, I don't really like to call you guys subscribers. I want to call you guys my friends. We're gonna see, maybe we could go to the mall. Those are cute. Okay. Cute. Stop, that's cute.